So today I will help you to use calculator to find the regression equation. So first one about Casio FX570EX. So we have step 1, 2, 3, and then you practice to find correlation and linear regression equation. Remember that equation is y equal a plus bx. About the FX580VN, so you can search the name of this video and then you try to do, for example, menu 6, and we want to find the linear regression y equal a plus bx, so u plus 2, and then you have data. After that you can find a, b, and r. So here in our example, we have example 1. So this is example 1. Observe a sample x and y. You have x, y. For example, x, the number is 1, then you have y is 1. For example, you have x have $1 million for income and y is $1 million for expenses. And the second person had income 3 million and for income and expense of this person is 2. For example, like this. So we have the data for x and y, and they ask you to find the linear regression equation for x and y. And when x equal to 12, how can you find y? So here I have a calculator for FX570. So with this calculator, you have first one, I want to find this number 4 stats to have frequency on. After that, I want to input all this data mod 3. So I want to have for the regression, so I took 2, number 2, and you see that a plus bx. So here I have x1, then I have y1, and the frequent, so this pair appear 1 time, so the frequency is 1. Next, x3, continue like this. So finish. So then continue, I input only data by the way like this, a 9, 11, 14. Four, 5, no, 1, 3, 2, 4, 4, 6, 4, 8, 6, 4, 8, 5, 9, 7, 11, 8, 14, 9. So finish. Then I see shift 1. So I have this regression number 5, and this number 3 equal. So here has the number here. So the number here is 0.977. 0.977. You can write all of this as just 0.977. So with this correlation, so the correlation is near 1. So two variables x and y has a linear regression relation because the relation between x and y is strong. About the slope, shift 1, 5, 1. So I have this is the number for A and shift 1, 5, 2 equal this is the number for B. So I have the linear regression now. This is the equation. So when x equal to 12, so I have that x equal to 12 in this equation, and then I have the result y. So very easy for you to do example 1. How about example 2? So you can stop video to try to do example 2. So example 2, you have frequency. So frequency of x is 21 and y3 is the frequency 2. This means you have two trees have y 3 meter and x 21 centimeter. And which this number you don't have the frequency, it means 0, 0, 0, and you don't need to write anything to input data. So you just input when you have the frequency. So the way we do this, for example like this, x 21, so I just write 21, and y is 3. So the frequency here is 2. So the next column, x21, and then you have 21, y is 4, frequency is 5, frequency is 5. Finish. So I finished the first row. The second row, 23, and 4, and the frequency is 3. Finish. Continue 23, and y is 5, and the frequency is 11. So then I finish the second column, and next you try to input the data for the column, the 3 columns here, 3 rows here, and after that you can check your answer here. So this is the answer for example 2. So you can use your calculator to check your answer. So I have finished to help you use your calculator to do example 1 and example 2.